Hi, it's Janice here, and I'm going to explain what the word describe will mean and what the word explain will mean. So, if you're going to describe something, you need to define it. So, you need to describe what a search engine is. You need to define what a search engine is. Tell me, what does a search engine do? Give me examples. So, you could talk about typing in keywords to search for something. In the context of the question, you may need to refer to a definition in terms of something else. Yeah. Or how do you use search engines to do research? You talk about how you would use it for research in particular. Any other details, please include it. Any advantages or disadvantages, make sure that is there. For explain now, you need to state how a thing is used, show your understanding of that thing. Yeah, so explain search engines in general. So you explain how it is used. A search engine is basically a database, as you and I know, on the internet. Show your understanding, what is it used for, things that relate to it. Give some examples. I want you to discuss any advantages and disadvantages. And like all the other questions, make sure you explain a thing in the context of a question. So if you're explaining what a search engine is in terms of why would you use a search engine for research, then you will not only explain how it's used, your understanding of it, what it's used for, but you'll also be talking about research. So why are you going to use it for research? Because nobody knows everything. It's a way of showing your extended knowledge. It's a way of showing that you've gone out there, looked for information, that you've provided more than just what you're being asked. You're showing that you're stretching and growing and extending your current knowledge beyond what it is. So ensure that you answer, describe, and explain questions appropriately. Again, ask questions. Go to functionalskills.janiceweir-germia.com, and then you can click on the Functional Skills English tab, and there'll be a big red button at the top that will take you to some more command verbs that will help you to understand what describe and explain is, and to give you some examples. I hope this helps. Ask questions, ask questions, ask questions.